Oh, good, you're here. So you're either here because you're really interested in this tractor, or you just want to shoot the shit with me and check this thing out. Either way, welcome. So in front of you today is the JJRC C8836 1/12 scale retro tractor. Fun fact, that just took me 5 tries to do because the name of this RC just doesn't flow right out of my mouth. I don't know why, but here is the retro tractor. Now I took this RC on because I thought it would be a good RC to do my Christmas special with. This RC is part of the Delicate Radio Control series, so there won't be any bashing in this video. Now this tractor does come with gear belt linkage rotation, so we have a nice belt on the engine that rotates. That's pretty cool. It also has steam that comes out the engine. The rear bed can be lifted so you can dump your load wherever you need to. And it also has a hand crank that can rotate. Lighting, sound, spray, strong power, 4-wheel drive. This thing sounds pretty cool. Let's get it open. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with this thing, but I have a few ideas. But first, we must get it open. Yes. See what is in the box. Other than the instruction manual. Ooh, yes. There it is. I definitely picked the right RC for my Christmas special because this thing looks actually kind of cool and festive. Also comes with a really cool looking transmitter. This transmitter has a nice pistol grip, carbon fiber finish. No foam wheel, but that's all right. I don't think we need it. Has a nice little photo of the tractor up there. That is pretty cool. Also has steering trim, a accelerator knob, which is not set to 100. We're just gonna fix that right quick. Volume and lighting button. That sounds really interesting. And a spray button. Last but not least, on and off button. Other than that, I can't see nothing else. Pretty cool transmitter. Feels okay. Doesn't really match the RC, but that is fine. Let's see what we got in this bag. Wow, that smells like brand new RC car. This is probably the strongest RC smell I have whiffed so far. Some assembly required. What's in this little baggie? Looks like it's a tow hitch. So included with the RC, you got that tow hitch, canopy, science experiment, hand crank, and a USB charging cable. Let's see if we can get the battery out somehow. I'm not sure yet how to open this little section. Oh, all right, there we go. Battery looks like it's a proprietary battery. Yep. The paperwork says this is a 500 milliamp hour, 3.7 volts. Charge time is about 90 minutes and run time is about 20 minutes. So taking a look at the RC itself, the tires are like super hard. Definitely no foam in there. Flipping it over, we can see that the engine is actually in the front. If this is 4-wheel drive, there should be another one in the rear right in there. It has a plastic leaf suspension. Yep, 2 motors. Let's put our accessories on so it looks more complete. I wonder if you can really crank this up or not. Says the bed can be lifted, but I can't get it to lift. Oh, there we go. Jesus. Almost felt like I broke it. But no, that's just how it is. Open this up. Bloop, 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 bloop. This thing holds a lot of water. 100 different screwdrivers, and I still have trouble finding one. The same goes with batteries. It's a little annoying if you have to screw it to close it. Start her up. Yeah, I don't think it's working. Just kidding. Oh, there we go. Dude, that is sick. How cool is that? I was hoping the sound would change once you start driving it, but it doesn't. The belt is kind of cool though. Wonder how it drifts. But yeah, this thing is way too cool. Let's dress it up and take it outside.